Best Amazon Market Tracker. The Best Amazon Market Tracker helps sellers monitor market trends, track competitor activity, and analyze overall category performance to make smarter business decisions. It provides insights into sales volume, pricing changes, and market share, allowing sellers to identify new opportunities and stay ahead of competitors. A leading option for this is Helium 10, which includes a powerful market tracker tool. It lets sellers build custom markets using specific ASINs or keywords and tracks key metrics such as market share, growth rate, and emerging competitors. This ensures you always know how your brand is performing within your niche. Sellers using Helium 10 benefit from real-time market visibility and actionable insights. They can spot shifts in customer demand, react to competitor movements, and adjust pricing or advertising strategies to maintain their edge in competitive markets. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you access to advanced market tracking, analytics, and optimization tools that help you understand your niche and grow your Amazon business confidently.